po sa aming channel. Happy Saturday. And papunta kami ngayon sa Walmart. Nag-snow siya. Sobrang lakas ng snow and it's also raining. So medyo nakakatakot. It's currently 2:12 PM. Late na kami umalis kasi si Mr. marami siyang ginawa. Kasi nga bukas, maaga yata siyang umalis. Are you gonna work in the morning tomorrow?
Yeah, probably.
Kasi mas gusto na niya mag-work sa umaga para maaga din siyang makauwi next week. Ganun. So ayun. Is it also raining or is it just snowing? It looks like it's also raining. Anyway, ayun. Yun lang naman na aming gagawin. Samahan niyo po kami ngayon sa aming Walmart grocery shopping video. So ayun siya guys. Hindi siya masyadong makita dito sa camera. Ito lang cellphone ko ang ginagamit ko pang video. And by the way, my husband's gonna be nominated as driver of, what's that?
Driver of the month.
Driver of the month.
I don't think they're going to though, because they always send us emails with like
You have a lot of ano.
they spotlight, you know, a driver that is for like every week they spotlight a driver, and they've done it like 25 times and they've never done me. They've done everybody on earth except for me. So it's funny that they would be
Who
not.
is that who texted you? Is it your manager?
That was Richard.
Orange, right?
But
Because you have the same name. That's why he's gonna
That's
be
not
nominating
why.
you.
well, there might be something to it. That might be why he's so smart, because I am also
Whatever.
I just be people named Richard are very smart. But no, I don't know. But this one, if I get it, I get like $100.
Really? Wow. Well, I hope you'll get this. $100 is still $100.
But I also gotta have everybody making fun of me, because I think
Because the photo that I sent you.
not just that, but I also think that you just kind of make fun of the driver of the month anyways.
It doesn't matter as long as you'll get $100. So ayan, sana makuha niyo yung driver of the month. Sayang din yung $100. I think you're gonna get it because you're your best driver of the account. Is it just for the account or the whole company?
But I'm not the best, I'm just one of the best. There are some guys who are
No, that nomination thing, is it just for your account or the whole JP account?
it's just for our.
For your account. And how many drivers do they have?
But I should do it because I worked through an insane blizzard and I worked through having a
Yeah,
fever. And
you never say no. Well, sometimes you do, but most of the time, even if it's kind of risky, you still do the job.
And I'm doing it with bald tires.
With what?
Bald tires. They don't know how bald my tires are. I should definitely get it for doing all this crazy winter driving with, you know, bald tires.
Why don't you ask them to replace your tires?
Because they're not illegal. They're not going to change them until they're illegal, that means that they're going to be dangerous for like, you know,
Until it's become illegal to
Yeah.
drive the truck. Isn't it?
they're dangerous for like one eighth of their life, because they, you know, for 7/8 of their life they're not really dangerous, but for 1/8 of their life they are dangerous, and that's what I'm on. And of course it's winter time too.
So ayan, di ba? Delikado talaga yung trabaho nito ni Mr. Lalo na ngayon pagka winter and pagka mag-snow. And then tomorrow, mag-start siya mag-work ulit. Merong mag-snow. Is it gonna snow on the place that you're gonna go to? You were checking it a while
Yes,
ago.
probably.
Nandun nga pala kanina ang aking ma'am Endo sa bahay namin. Dumalaw siya. Nanood kami ng what's that movie again? Rocky. Naririnig ko lang yung dati sa mga tita ko, Rocky Balboa. Movie pala yun, di ko alam. Ngayon ko lang napanood. Parang si lang, boxing. Parang si Manny Pacquiao. Just like Manny Pacquiao. Gusto niya. Meron siyang 1 and 2. Rocky 1 and 2. Pero sobrang tagal na nung movie na. Pero maganda naman. Okay naman siya. Dalawang kids. Andoon sa likod. Si Zelda natutulog. Pinainom ko na ng milk tea. Zelda bago kami umalis. Kaya okay na yan siya. Hindi na ako nagdala ng bill kasi sandali lang naman kami dito sa Walmart. And di ba nga last week hindi kami nagpunta kasi tinry ni Mr. yung kanilang option for online delivery. But hindi kami masyadong natuwa sa service and sa mga pangyayari. Kaya yun, babalik na kami sa pag-grocery shopping physically sa Walmart. Dito kami nakapila sa may pharmacy. Yan si Zaira. Zaira. Kukuha kami ng toothbrush ni Zaira. Si Zaira nung una ayaw niya nagpapa-toothbrush pero ngayon enjoy na siya mag-toothbrush. Buti na lang. Kukuhanan ni Mr. ng stuffed toy si Zaira. Siyempre, hindi mawawala ang toy ng batang ito. Hindi talaga pwede mag I think she's gonna love this. Dinosaur. Ha? She likes dinosaur better. What do you want? Dinosaur or octopus? Oh, she got the octopus.
People
That's
like
new.
octopus.
Mga pang Valentine's gift. How about Zelda? She wants Care Bear. Hi! Hi, Zelda! Dito tayo sa mga pang Valentine's. Wow! Hi! Hi! Massive octopus. Do you want that octopus? It's so big.
It doesn't say how much.
It's too big. It's kind of scary. Huh? Lush. There's no price. I don't know. What are you gonna get from here? What's that? No. It's too small. Yes. Niloko ko Mister, sabi ko si Mister, sabi ko bilhan niya ako ng ganyan. Pero hindi naman kasi ako masyadong mahilig sa chocolates. Ayan. Mahal naman. $15. Ang daming chocolates. Dahil nga malapit na mag-Valentine's Day. So dito tayo guys sa mga diapers. What? Naghahanap kami ng baby food maker kasi hindi namin makita dito sa baby area. Saan kaya yun? Try natin dito guys kung dito pa yung baby food maker. Pero parang wala. Wala yata. Pero sa pagkakaalam ko meron. It's not here. So nagtatanong lang si Mr. ko nasaan. Zelda. Zelda. Tatanungan na daw mo kung nasaan ang baby food maker. Hopefully meron sila. Oh, who's that baby? Who's that baby? Brazil. Who's that? Is that you? So, pauwi na kami guys. Si Mr. ay na high blood na naman. Wala nang snow pero maulan ang lamig. Sobrang... What? What's going on? Go play. Papa-music na naman siya. Dito na kami sa bahay guys. Ayan o, nag-snow na. Pero hindi ganun kadami kasi nga may kasama siyang water. Ayan. Yan pa lang naman ang snow. Pero mag-snow daw ng malakas mamaya. And bukas. So, ayan ang lagay ng ating yard for today. Ayan si Zayta, tuwang-tuwa na naman sa snow. Go, go, go! Go with Dada! Go follow Dada! Walk, walk, walk. Go! Ay! Ano ba yan? Oh no! The octopus! Sobrang lamig. Ooh. Say hi! Who's that? Is that you? You wanna see yourself again in the camera? Hi! Say hi! We just got home. We just got home. Hmm. Hmm. Oh no, what did you do? You left it? Si Mr. lagi niya naiiwan yung kanyang cellphone sa car. Pero hindi naman daw ngayon. Hirap pa naman lumabas dahil ang lamig. Ang lamig talaga. Talagang hindi biro yung lamig. Hindi pwede dito yung sobrang ano lang. Yung pa-sweet lang na bundle up. Oh no, what happened? Kung hindi mangangatog ka sa lamig sa labas. Woo! Tick, tick, tick. Oh no. Oh no. Hi. Say hi everyone. Hello, I'm gonna eat my foot. Are you gonna eat your foot? Zelda. Zelda. Hi, Zelda. Hi, Zelda. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Ay, you're not in the mood to clap your hands. You're not in the mood to clap your hands. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Clap, clap, clap. Clap your hands. Clap your hands.